Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete card from Apple Wallet. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You will see all the cards that are currently added. Tap the card you want to delete. On the top right corner, you will see three dot or inform icon. This opens the card detail page. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Tap remove card. Apple will ask to confirm. Tap remove again. This it. The card is now deleted from Apple Wallet and can no longer be used for Apple Pay. Removing a card from Apple Wallet does not cancel your bank account or credit card. You can add the card back later if needed. If the card is your default card, Apple will ask you to choose a new default. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.